podcast, I'll be discussing measuring distance and depth. Is the scale indicator to track distance on a chart. Scales are expressed as ratio and differ from map to map. The scales printed in the upper right corner of the map will look something like 1 to 100,000. A ratio of 1 to 10,000 indicates that every 1 in a 2.5 centimeters, the map equals 10,000 in a 25 centimeters. In the real world, chart with smaller scales provide an up-close view depicting from areas details and markers. If you're familiar with the land maps, the scale works the same way there. A harbor chart is an example of a small-scale chart. Navigators need a close view of the harbor with the all obstruction and other details. Larger charts show land and waterways but few additional details. So the second one is find the unit of measurement. Used to indicate water depth. Look in the upper right corner in the map near the scale. You will see the unit of measurement printed in big letters. You need to know this because charts use all the sort of different measurements. Your chart could include feet, fathoms, or meters. The next one is read the chart number to figure out the water lowest depth. The black number printed on the chart presented water depth. Each number indicates the mean low water or MMLL or MLLW. In an area, this is the average water depth at low tide, so the most of the time the water is deeper than what you see on the chart. If you see a negative number, that means the water depth in the area is typically less than what is listed on the chart. So here we are to number 4, guys. Multiply fathoms by 6 to measure depths by feet. Number written in fathoms have a unique look to them, so they are easy to spot. A fathom listing often consists of a pair of a number. The first number indicates the number of fathoms. The second number, which will be a smaller subscript, is the number of additional feet. For example, a listing of 0 and 3 means a depth of 0 fathoms. And 3 feet, a listing of 3 and 2 means 3 fathoms. 2 feet or 20 feet total. So here we are in number 5. Multiply meters measurements by 3 to convert them to feet. For uniformity and simplicity, many modern charts use meters. This can be tough to understand if you're used to measurements in feet or fathoms. Multiplying by 3 is a quick way to get relative accurate estimate of the water depths. For example, multiplying a listing of 6 meters by 3 to estimate it has been at least 18 feet depth. The actual depth is 6 meters, 20 feet. So it is incomplete, accurate, but it is helpful for avoiding shallow areas in the depth are listed in feet. You can also divide them by 3 to quickly convert them to meters. That's all, guys. Thank you.